Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into AT&T account. First, open your web browser and in the search section, type att.com and enter it. And we just landed to AT&T official homepage, and on the top right corner, there's My AT&T right here. Click on that option. So on the top that says sign in, simply click on this option. And right here, your user ID to sign in. So simply type your user ID like this, and you can click on the continue button, which is just below it. And if you have forgotten your user ID, then you can simply click on this option. Other option is here as well. So any problem, we can click on this, and I'm going to click on the continue at the moment. And you are also required with your password. And once you're done with your password, then you can simply sign in right here, and then you will be logged into your AT&T account. So that is it guys, and if you have forgotten your password or lost your access to your password, then you can click on this option. And that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.